Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to take long exposure photos on your iPhone. So if you want to take long exposure photos for like night photos and stuff like that, what you can do is just open up the camera app, press the icon if it didn't turn on automatically for you, so like you have night mode, and if it doesn't turn on automatically for you, what you can do is you can press on the three dots on like these dots on the top right, press night mode until it either enables auto or max. So this is the maximum like amount of night mode that you can use, which is 4 seconds or 2. It just changes pretty much a lot. But here you can change it, and once you've done that, just take a photo and keep your phone still for the amount of seconds that it needs. And once it's done, the night photo will be taken. And that is pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.